Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social class. Students, in the previous class, we have discussed about the drainage system, streets, and life of the people in the Indus Valley civilization. In today's class, we will discuss about the seals, sculptures, trade, about the government, script, and religion of Indus Valley civilization. So, let's start. Seals were excavated from different cities in the Indus Valley civilization. These seals are made up of terracotta, copper, and steatite. These seals are of different shapes and sizes, and inscriptions are written on the top of these seals. Seals are also engraved with figures of humans and animals like unicorn, humped bull, rhinoceros, buffalo, goat, and tiger. Historians have assumed that these seals are also used for trading purposes, as Indus Valley seals have been found in ancient Mesopotamia. These seals gave us valuable information about life and culture of the Indus Valley civilization. Since many script has also not deciphered means we cannot read or understand that script. This is the picture of seal. This is terracotta seal. This is copper seal, and this is steatite seal. This is the picture showing animal figure on the seals, inscriptions which were written on the top of the seals, animal figure on the seals. Okay. Now, let's discuss about the sculptures. The Hadappans were very good sculptors. They make sculptures of gold, silver, terracotta, and stone. A bronze female figure of a dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro is very famous sculpture of Indus Valley civilization. Another important sculpture is of a male bearded figure which is seated in a seated position and termed as priest king. This figure has an arm bent and embroidered shawl around him. Historians believe that this figure has a position of high authority, or it is a religious figure of Indus Valley civilization. The people of Indus Valley civilization has a high degree of perfection in metallurgy. Metallurgy means the art of extraction of metals in purest form. Small toys made up of terracotta, clay, and steatite also found in the Indus Valley civilization. The children played with various toys like carts, dolls, sliding monkeys, clay models of birds and animals. Various dices found along with the game boards, which suggests that board games were played in that time period. This picture shows how the sculpture looks. This is sculpture of a dancing girl which is from Mohenjo-daro. This is the sculpture of priest king which has an arm bent and embroidered shawl around him. It is a person of religious personality. These are the toys which were played by children in that time period. Various toys like carts, dolls, sliding monkeys, etc. This is the dice which suggests that game boards were played during that time period. Let's discuss about the trade. The Indus Valley people carried trade both within and outside India. The people had trade links with Mesopotamia, Persia, and Afghanistan. They exported commodities like cotton, copper, cattle, grain, pottery, and jewelry. Weights and measures were used for the measurement, and the trade was carried through the barter system. Barter system means to exchange of goods without using money, to exchange of things and goods. Bullock carts, boats, and ships were used for the transportation purposes. A dockyard has been found at Lothal, which is situated in Gujarat. Dockyard means an area of port where ships stops to be loaded or to be repaired. Okay. This picture shows how weights and measures were used in that time, which types of weights and measures used in that time period. And this is a picture of dockyard which is situated at Lothal. Now, let's discuss about the script. More than 400 symbols of Indus Valley script has been found, and these are found on seals, tablets, and ceramic pots. This shows that people knew the art of writing and they developed a script. Symbols of Indus Valley script has not deciphered, means they are not understandable. The script is pictographic. It has picture signs like which represents words, objects and ideas. These are the symbols, signs which were used in script. Different types of signs, scripts, objects and ideas which were used in the Indus Valley civilization. Now, let's discuss about the religion. Various seals and sculptures available in the Indus Valley civilization suggest that religion of the Hadappans can be formed. People worshipped objects of nature, trees and animal. People tree and bull were regarded as sacred and worshipped. No temples were found, but a female deity, which was probably known as Mother Goddess, has been found. A seal which shows male figure in yogic posture surrounded by animals is discovered, and historians compared this figure with Lord Shiva and named it as Pashupati. Hadappans wore lucky charms and amulets to ward off evil spirits, means to kill off evil spirits. They believed in life after death. They buried foodstuffs, pets, and ornaments with the dead. They cremate dead and kept ashes or bones in urn. Urn means a special container where dead body is disposed. This picture shows that how nature was worshipped in the Indus Valley civilization. People tree, which was worshipped, and bull, which was worshipped and considered as sacred by the Indus Valley people. Now, last topic of today's class, the government. Historians were not very certain or not certain about the government in that time period. But Indus Valley people have excellent town planning, which suggests that cities were controlled and supervised by committee consist of rich traders and priests. So that is why they have a good town planning, and somehow government was formed or happened in that time period. So students, here we completes our today's topic, and we will continue our next topic in our next class. Thank you.